This book that I hold in my hands can easily be found at any 100 yen store in Japan. That's basically another way of saying a dollar store. Now, why do I have this book, you may ask? Well, essentially, in order to earn the respect of my Japanese tutor, I gotta learn basic kanji.
You must learn kanji.
Now, back to this book. Now basically, this book is apparently going to teach us how to learn level 1 kanji. Unfortunately, all the instructions seem to be in Japanese. If you're also interested in learning basic kanji from this cute little book from Japan, then allow me to translate the basics here and help you out. Now, if you're unsure of whether or not you should learn kanji, well, here's why it may be important, aside from avoiding the peer pressure from Shiro-san.
You must learn kanji.
If you ever wish to enjoy reading manga, Japanese menus, movie subtitles, or of course just visiting Japan, throughout my experience of living there, I can recall various times where it would have been a very useful skill to have. So, unless you're totally fine with being confused and awkward trying to read important signs or fill out basic documents, then don't bother listening to me or Shiro-san.
You must learn kanji.
Now I get it. Learning kanji takes time and effort, but so does anything really. So, to make learning basic kanji a little bit less boring, I've provided a link in the description below that will take you to an ongoing blog page where I'm going to be sharing characters as I learn them directly from this book, along with my ugly sketches, essentially saving you a trip to Japan and 100 yen. If you choose to participate, I would love to hear your reasons for learning kanji, along with any feedback or questions along the way. I will be updating the page to accommodate requests and new characters as we continue, so make sure to check back on a weekly basis for more. To succeed with learning kanji, so far the process that has worked well for me is to first learn the stroke order of each character, then all the translations, and make sure to go slow with this. If by the end of the week you can master 3 to 5 characters, that'll do. So make sure to check out the link below to get started with your first few characters. And with that said, I better shut off the camera now and get back to work, as I do not wish to fail on my first direct order from Japan.
You must learn kanji.
Arigatou gozaimasu for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.
猫です。